Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if your feet looks like this, can you see those feet are so dry? So mine look like that, but the result after doing this procedure that I want us to do together, this is the result. So welcome back and make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned. Now I'll need raw milk, then I've added on warm water and just some flowers because I'm just a girl, so some flowers to keep the vibes on, and then I'm going to use that to soak my legs. So milk has lactic acid, which helps in exfoliating the skin, and it also helps in moisturizing the skin. So this is a very good hack if your legs are so dry, like the feet that I've just shown you before. So after that I'll pat dry, then I'm going to apply or to smear honey, which I've mixed honey with some ripe bananas. So this will help one in moisturizing the skin, softening the skin, and just ensuring that the exfoliation of the feet skin will be so easy. So after applying, I'm going to wrap the feet, just to lap them and just give them some few minutes for the combination of the honey and the milk just to do its work. So I'll stay like that just for some few minutes. Do that to both the feet. So the other one, just apply honey and ripe bananas, and then just foil for some few minutes. Give it some few minutes, and when you see like if they are sweating or something is happening to them like that, now it's telling you that it's time to remove them, and because the skin now has already softened, and therefore scrubbing the skin with the skin or the heels will be very easy. Then after that I'm going to soak for some few more minutes just to rinse off the ingredients that I had applied. So guys, make sure that you subscribe, you like, you comment. Then after that, it's now time to remove the dead skin. We remove the dead skin. Remember, heels crack because of being dry and also having a lot of dead skin. So make sure that you remove the dead skin as many times as possible. Actually, if you can be able to scrub your heel every day, the better. Then I'm just applying a bar soap just to make sure the scrubbing is more easy, and I'm cleaning everything and removing the dirt that might be there. So check out my YouTube channel if you have challenges with cracked heels, how to remove ingrown nails, how to take care of your nails, how to take care of your heels, foot care and all that. So make sure that you check it out. Make sure that you subscribe, you comment, you like. So most of you are asking if I can just do a pedicure once a month and just forget about it, but I think the best thing is to make sure that even if you are not doing a pedicure every day, that one, you are scrubbing your feet like every day or after 2 days or 3 days, but regularly, not once a month, so as to avoid the cracking of the heel. Then after that, and you'll sure that they are clean, you're going to pour this water, this water that you have soaked with, and then you put some clean more water and just rinse off. And by this time the feet are super clean and soft. I wish the camera could do justice so that you could be able to see the result, but all the same, I'm hoping that you are going to try this DIY so that you can be able to experience and be a witness. Then after that, I'm just going to dry the feet, and then the most awaited part, and the part that I really love, is moisturizing the feet. So after drying, we use the moisturizer, any that you use. You can use body oil, lotion, petroleum jelly, but if you have Vaseline or petroleum jelly, any petroleum jelly, shea butter, anything, I could really recommend that. So smear even the heels everywhere, so just ensure that you are moisturizing everywhere. And as you moisturize your feet, you're going to realize that they are so soft and they feel clean. And if you had cracked heel, you're going to see that there is minimization of that cracking. Like, even if it's cracked, it will not be looking as bad as you started. So stay tuned, and make sure that you subscribe for more videos. Bye. Don't forget to comment, to share, to like. So this is the results. I really love the results, like you can see.